I popped this off. You see the drain is good, it's solid, y'all. So we're gonna pop these off. I hadn't done this on camera. This is gonna be some off camera because it's a pain. Pop these off and then I'll set you on a time lapse. Got it sanded with some 80 grit. Now I can spray it with some of that super clean and hit it with the pressure washer. And then we'll work on some little body filler in some spots. So we went and grabbed some quick weld. We're gonna put it along these ridges and these little pinholes that you can't see on this one because they're not bad. You see a few here. Just something to fill these in, guys. We got a divot here, that's the worst one. None of them go through, the tub's solid. And then, so let's get this mixed up and get that applied. So boom. Got the quick weld through down on each one of these little ripples that we're on here. And we're gonna let that level out. And then go back with some sandpaper and scuff it up. And then we'll get ready to start priming this bad boy. Well, the camera wasn't rolling, but we threw down one coat of primer. We ran out and had to go grab some more. So now I'm gonna set y'all up on the time lapse. We're gonna throw on one more coat of primer. We're gonna let this dry. We're gonna go take a lunch, and then we'll come back and we'll get ready to paint it, and then flip it over and get ready to do some porcelain. First, earlier I hit it with 80. Then I hit it with 120. Then I hit it with a little bit of 180. Then I hit it with a 360 or a 380 scuffing pad. And I mean, the surface is smooth, y'all. You can still see down in here, you can see a little bit of pitting that's happened over the years. But y'all, right here, what you're seeing is the original finish from either 1950 or 1939, whatever date this thing is. I'm still looking into getting the actual date. If anybody out here comes across this video anywhere in time and knows, feel free to message me. I don't care if it's 2 years from now and I already know. If you know something about these things that I don't, let me know. But y'all, I got this tub for a smoking deal. And I've got a couple $100 worth of stuff to restore it. I'm gonna drop a price reveal at the end of the video. It's a little dirty right now. It's just a little cleaner on the outside, but y'all remember that blue and white finish it was? Look at that hammer blackish gray color. It's gonna turn out real nice with the white porcelain finish on the inside. We got the legs over here. We're gonna go back and paint the claws on the legs gold, just to give it a little accent. But the reason we went with the claw tub, guys, is because here in this bathroom, we don't have but about 57 inches, roughly somewhere in there, from that wall to that wall. And I was gonna put just a simple stand-up shower, but you know, you can't have that. And honestly, that claw tub, when we get this bathroom redone and insulated and finished up, since we don't have that much space, that claw tub is really gonna set this little room off. So, I appreciate y'all watching. I hope you like it. If you liked it, drop a like. Comment what you like about the tub. Comment what you don't like about the tub. Comment maybe the Homax, what the stuff you use. If there's something better down the road, if I redo this thing, let me know. I appreciate all the love, guys. So sub, turn the post notifications on, and y'all stay tuned. I'll have plenty more footage coming. So let's go ahead and get this thing, we're gonna let it sit, then we'll get this thing refinished,